Welcome to the Animal Kingdom quiz. 30 questions about animals. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Question 1. What is the fastest land animal on Earth? A. Lion. B. Cheetah. C. Leopard. D. Gazelle. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Cheetah. Question 2. Which bird cannot fly? A. Eagle. B. Parrot. C. Ostrich. D. Flamingo. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Ostrich. Question 3. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 8. C. 10. D. 12. Time's up. The correct answer was B. 8. Question 4. What is a group of lions called? A. Pack. B. Herd. C. Pride. D. Flock. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Pride. Question 5. Which animal has the longest neck? A. Camel. B. Elephant. C. Giraffe. D. Horse. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Giraffe. Question 6. What do pandas mainly eat? A. Fish. B. Bamboo. C. Leaves. D. Fruit. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Bamboo. Question 7. Which is the largest land animal on Earth? A. Hippo. B. Rhino. C. Elephant. D. Giraffe. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Elephant. Question 8. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 3. Question 9. What is the only mammal that can truly fly? A. Flying fox. B. Bat. C. Sugar glider. D. Flying fish. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Bat. Question 10. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Cheetah. C. Lion. D. Leopard. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Lion. Question 11. How long is an elephant pregnant before giving birth? A. 6 months. B. 12 months. C. 18 months. D. 22 months. Time's up. The correct answer was D. 22 months. Question 12. What color is a polar bear's skin? A. White. B. Pink. C. Black. D. Gray. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Black. Question 13. Which animal sleeps the most up to 22 hours a day? A. Sloth. B. Koala. C. Cat. D. Lion. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Koala. Question 14. What is the loudest animal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Howler monkey. D. Lion. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Blue whale. Question 15. How many eyes does a bee have? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Time's up. The correct answer was D. 5. Question 16. Which animal is the tallest in the world? A. Elephant. B. Camel. C. Giraffe. D. Horse. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Giraffe. Question 17. What is the lifespan of a tortoise? A. Up to 50 years. B. Up to 80 years. C. Up to 100 years. D. Over 150 years. Time's up. The correct answer was D. Over 150 years. Question 18. Which fish is known to be the most venomous in the world? A. Pufferfish. B. Stonefish. C. Lionfish. D. Piranha. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Stonefish. Question 19. What is a baby kangaroo called? A. Cub. B. Foal. C. Joey. D. Kid. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Joey. Question 20. How many teeth does an adult dog have? A. 32. B. 38. C. 42. D. 48. Time's up. The correct answer was C. 42. Question 21. Which animal has the thickest skin in the world? A. Elephant. B. Rhino. C. Hippo. D. Whale. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Hippo. Question 22. What is the smallest bird in the world? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Finch. D. Wren. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Hummingbird. Question 23. Which animal is used as a symbol of peace? A. Owl. B. Eagle. C. Dove. D. Swan. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Dove. Question 24. How do sharks detect prey in the water? A. Sight. B. Smell. C. Electric fields. D. Sound. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Electric fields. Question 25. What is the heaviest animal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Great white shark. C. Blue whale. D. Hippo. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Blue whale. Question 26. Which insect produces honey? A. Ant. B. Wasp. C. Bee. D. Butterfly. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Bee. Question 27. What is a group of wolves called? A. Pride. B. Pack. C. Herd. D. Colony. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Pack. Question 28. Which animal can change its color to camouflage? A. Gecko. B. Chameleon. C. Iguana. D. Salamander. Time's up. The correct answer was B. Chameleon. Question 29. How many stomachs does a cow have? A1. B2. C3. D4. Time's up. The correct answer was D. 4. Question 30. Which animal is the fastest in the ocean? A. Shark. B. Dolphin. C. Sailfish. D. Tuna. Time's up. The correct answer was C. Sailfish. Quiz complete. How well do you know the animal kingdom? Don't forget to like and subscribe.